Motorcycle accidents are some of the worst cases that we have to work on in our office, and this is generally the case because obviously motorcycle wrecks end up causing massive amounts of damages and most of the time death of the motorcycle rider. The important thing from an insurance perspective to remember is that motorcycle insurance is different from car insurance. Obviously, motorcycle insurance and car insurance are separate policies, and in Florida there are separate requirements for what you have in a motor vehicle versus what you have in a motorcycle. It's really important to understand that most of the 24% of the drivers on the road in Florida are underinsured. And it's a pretty good chance that those underinsured or uninsured drivers are the ones that are going to cause your motorcycle accident. So the things to remember about motorcycle insurance is this. Number one, your motorcycle policy can stack onto your car policy. So if you have a car policy through X company and you want to get a motorcycle policy, the UM policy on your motorcycle and your car can be stacked depending on the insurance company and the language of the policies. The other thing to remember is your car policy, uninsured motorists, may actually cover you, depending on the wording of the UM clause in the car policy, may actually cover you on if you're involved in a motorcycle accident caused by another vehicle. It all obviously depends on the wording precisely in the automobile policy that you have, but those are things you should remember. It's really important as a motorcyclist in Florida that you know before you get on the roads that 24% of the drivers that you come in contact with are going to have little or no insurance for your injuries. They're called uninsured or underinsured motorists. And Florida just allows people to drive on the roads in vehicles without insurance for another person's injuries. So please keep that in mind. And the only thing you really can do is obviously exercise extreme caution in driving your motorcycle when you drive it. Always wear a helmet and get as much insurance as you possibly can afford for the uninsured or underinsured motorist component of both your motorcycle policy and your car policy, because again, you can use those together in the event, in the dreadful event of a motorcycle accident. If you have questions about a motorcycle wreck, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.